Good morning. We are tracking a very dangerous hurricane in Florida. Now, this is Hurricane Michael, a Category 4 storm, which is making its way to the Florida Panhandle. Category 4 means it's sustaining winds of 145 to 150 miles an hour, which is equivalent to an F2 tornado. This is a pretty tough storm. Now, as we look at it, it's 80 miles offshore, which means it's going to make landfall in just a couple of hours. That's going to be 2 o'clock local time for people in Florida. This storm is dangerous. Now, I know that Florida sees a lot of hurricanes, but this is the first Category 4 storm to make landfall in over 100 years. Hurricane Ivan, which killed 57 people, only made landfall as a Category 3, so please heed local warnings. Taking a look at our local weather, outside right now, 42 degrees. In Reno, in Lovelock, 42 as well, state line 32, but that's of course at the higher elevations. Now, as we look at our day today, right in the morning 44, by noon heating up to 37, and then hitting that high of 62 this afternoon, where we may see some isolated showers, so make sure to be packing an umbrella. Now let's take a look at this system that's moving through right now. That's going to push out some of that precipitation that we see today. So if we look at our futurecast, today we're seeing some precipitation, possibly snow in the higher elevations, unlikely to affect travel. As we move into tomorrow and the weekend, that really clears out. Again, taking a look at that possible rain today, seeing all of this here in the higher elevations down by Tahoe, Carson. We could be seeing some rain, so make sure you stay aware, but unlikely to have any travel impacts. Now, as we look at our highs today, 61 in Susanville. As we move into Reno, 62, higher elevations like Virginia City are only going to get up to the mid-50s. Now, looking at our 8-day forecast, 62 today, again, slight chance of rain, warming up through the weekend, but take a look at those low temperatures. We are looking at 30 degrees in the overnight hours, so make sure that you are packing a jacket when you head out the door today.